Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
We will now review using the Law Firm Project Plan workbook. This workbook is almost identical to the Law Firm Project Tracker. However, the information entered into the Law Firm Project Plan workbook does not feature any tracking of actuals versus estimates. This workbook is simply used to record the initial project plan data. On the Project Parameters worksheet, list each project by general project type, and then input what percentage of the total project hours is performed by each general type of skilled worker. For each skilled worker, then enter the billing rate into the blended rates cells in cell range B13 through G13. This rate is the average billing rate for someone with the selected skill set. You can also add columns and rows as needed to accommodate your law firm's business needs. Next, on the Project Input worksheet, enter the names of the individual projects your firm handles into the cells in column A within the table. You should also enter the name of each project into the corresponding cells within column A on the Calculations worksheet. On the Project Input worksheet, then enter the project type for the project into the adjacent cell in column B. Each project type must correspond to one of the project types you created in column A of the Project Parameters worksheet. Then input the estimated start and estimated finish dates for the project. When you input the values into these columns, Excel then calculates the duration in column F. After that, enter the estimated total number of project work hours into the estimated work column. As you enter the total project work, the grand total of estimated work hours appears at the bottom of column E. As you complete the data entry, the values within all the other worksheets are calculated automatically. If you view the Calculations worksheet, you will see the total estimated billing amounts for each general type of skilled worker for each project. The Hours chart shows estimated work hours per skill type, and the Billing chart shows estimated billing per skill type. As with the other templates, you can enter your company's name and logo into the project input through Calculations worksheets if desired.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.